In this presentation, I'm going to share with you 4 ways to create a popular YouTube channel for your business. With close to 1 billion unique viewers every month, YouTube has become an excellent tool for marketing your business. However, if you don't have the viewers or your viewers haven't increased in a while, then it might be time for you to rethink your strategies. Here are 4 ways that you can create a popular YouTube channel for your business. Design your brand. You'll need to determine what the overall theme of your videos are going to be and how you want your YouTube channel to be known. With the massive influx of video being uploaded to YouTube every day, you need to make sure that your videos have a unique quality that will make them stand out from the crowd. The name of your YouTube channel should also incorporate what kinds of videos your viewers can expect from your channel. It will also help to include your business logo that will help to attract and keep people's attention. Produce quality videos. While you may produce extremely creative videos or thought-provoking, if the production value of the video is low quality, no one will continue to play it after the first few seconds. Do yourself a favor and invest in a high-quality camera that can capture videos in HD. Luckily, many of the smartphones on the market today can do this. If your YouTube channel primarily uses graphics, make sure to use a video editing program that is recommended by the professionals. Complete the description. Make sure that you are completing the description for each video and are optimizing it with relevant keywords. The description is where you can freely state anything you want about the video. The description allows viewers to know more about the video before and after watching it. Not only is giving complete information professional, but it also lets your viewers know that you are serious about what you are doing. Work on your tags. The tags allow your videos to be categorized and appear easily in YouTube searches. Make sure that the tags that you use are relevant to your video. Avoid using popular tags that are currently trending on YouTube. If your video is about making cookies from scratch, put that specific tag first, followed by the more generic ones. If you want to increase your popularity on YouTube, then you need to focus on creating the best YouTube channel as you can. Utilize these 4 techniques to create a popular YouTube channel.